on everybody. Working on a Lexus Ls460, the V8. Got a problem with timing chain noise on cold start, and after you've been driving and you park it for a little bit, you come back out and turn it back on, engine starts clapping that chain. We got our secondary chain here. Tensioner just doing nothing. I ran the car about like 2 hours ago. Things should still be tight. So we're going to go ahead and pull through the timing chain, tensioners, guides for service. It's got about 150,000 miles on it. So I took this side apart. We're going to get that fixed though. Blow the engine